There's so many young, beautiful people here, and everybody's doing their own fucking thing, and nobody knows I'm recording. So I just keep on recording and checking out asses and checking out outfits and checking it all out, because that's what it is. You know, your boy Saint's got a lot of eye candy, and I'm here for it, bro. I'm just here for it. Everybody doesn't even know that I'm recording. You get to see live behind the scenes. Some dude splashed into me, had his drink all down my back, but we're at a festival, so whatever happens ends up happening, you know. But like, you know, people don't need to act weird if I'm recording, but they don't know that I'm recording. They don't know that I'm live. I gotta go to the bathroom break again. I ate so much watermelon and water, it's not even funny.